Hi friends!
Thanks for tuning in. If you like this video, please give it a like, comment below, and take a moment to subscribe to our channel. Welcome to Hammond, a city in Tangipahoa Parish, Louisiana, located roughly halfway between Baton Rouge and New Orleans. Its position at the crossroads of major highways and rail lines has shaped its identity from the beginning, making Hammond a natural center for travel, commerce, and education in Southeast Louisiana. The city was founded in the mid-19th century by Peter Hammond, an immigrant from Sweden. He established a plantation and later helped develop the area as a transportation hub when the railroad arrived. Growth followed quickly as rail access brought new businesses and residents to the region. By the early 20th century, Hammond had earned national recognition as the strawberry capital of the world. The surrounding sandy soil proved ideal for strawberry farming, and rail cars carried fresh fruit from Hammond to markets across the country. This agricultural boom helped define the city's economy and culture for decades, and the annual Strawberry Festival remains one of Hammond's most recognizable traditions. Education became another defining feature of the city in the early 20th century. Southeastern Louisiana University was founded in 1925 as a teachers' college. Over time, it expanded into a major public university serving tens of thousands of students. The campus plays a central role in Hammond's economy, culture, and identity, bringing a steady flow of students, faculty, and events into the city. Hammond's location has also made it vulnerable to severe weather. Hurricanes and heavy rain events have periodically tested the community. In August of 2005, Hurricane Katrina caused widespread damage across the region, though Hammond avoided the worst flooding seen elsewhere. In August of 2016, historic rainfall led to flooding in parts of the city and surrounding parish, once again highlighting the challenges of living in low-lying South Louisiana. Downtown Hammond reflects the city's layered history. Historic buildings, local restaurants, and small businesses line streets that once served railroad passengers and agricultural trade. In recent years, revitalization efforts have focused on preserving historic character while supporting new development and local entrepreneurship. Today, Hammond stands as a regional crossroads, part college town, part commuter city, and part agricultural legacy. Its history is rooted in transportation and farming, shaped by storms and recovery, and sustained by education and community life. Thanks for watching!